welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing slime. I'm going to be teaching you and I'm going to be showing what ingredients you need. First, you're going to need some, First, you're gonna need some glue. I just choose both glues because I don't have that much glue for now. And next, you're gonna need some coloring. I choose orange because it's almost Halloween. And you're gonna need some eye wash. And you're gonna need a spoon and a bowl. And then, last thing you need is some baking powder. Well, there's some of this plastic. Well, let's begin. So first I'm gonna add all of my glue. Carefully. There we go. Now we're gonna add our food coloring. I'm gonna add a few drops. Now we get to stir. Wow, color's so beautiful. Now we're gonna add our eye wash. I'm gonna add also a few tiny drops. Now I'm gonna mix it up. This looks like a pumpkin color. You're gonna keep on stirring and add a little bit more while you're at it. And I'm gonna add some baking powder. I'm just gonna add a few. Now I'm gonna mix. I'm just going to add more of this. That's enough. And some baking powder. Oops. Now I'm gonna mix. Whoa! If it's turning a little bit hard, or even harder, you can start digging it with your hands. Whoa, this color is so beautiful. Whoa. Whoa, this is so beautiful. So here's how the slime turned out. I'm gonna add more because it's like a tiny bit. Dig, dig, dig. This is perfect for Halloween. It has the perfect color and the texture is really good and stretchy. It doesn't have a pull because it's just a few. But if you know, guys, if you put a lot of shaving cream, it will turn big. Well, I forgot to get out my shaving cream. But this is so nice. So guys, this is how it turned out. I think it's super nice. Whoa! This is so cool. You guys can definitely try this at home. I'm gonna add shaving cream until this end of the video. Before stopping recording, I'm gonna add more shaving cream. That is so ASMR. Guys, if you think this is so nice, you can rate this. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. But I feel like that the size of it, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. It's just way too small because I just have the few of glue. But I think the texture is so nice. I wish you can feel it in the screen. This is super duper nice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!